I'm with Dr. Rahul Bakshi, diabetologist at Bombay Hospital in Mumbai. I am Namita Jain, a wellness specialist and a wellness author. And today I would love to get insights from you, doctor, on diabetes, especially type 2 diabetes and lifestyle. A lot of times people who are overweight and have faulty habits, diet, and leading sedentary lifestyle seem to be getting type 2 diabetes. So, what is the role of exercise and diet and even stress in battling diabetes?
Yeah. So this is a very important topic. And so I'll tell you what lifestyle is. Lifestyle incorporates, first of all, of course, diet. Second thing is exercise. Sleep also is a very important part of lifestyle
Yes,
these days. We need
yes,
to get enough sleep. There have been recent studies published where they say if you're not sleeping more than 6 to 7 hours, you are
right,
already at high risk for diabetes. And of
right,
course, stress, as you mentioned, is again a very,
absolutely.
very important point. So talking about diet, a balanced, healthy diet which has appropriate amount of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. This is what kind of diet I recommend to my patients. We usually don't recommend extreme diets that stop all carbs or go on a total protein or fat diet. In my opinion, that doesn't work so well in most of our patients, because that will not be sustainable. So what I'm
Right.
looking for is a balanced and sustainable diet.
Yeah. So, doctor, just a quick question on this. I mean, today, keto diets, high protein, high fat diets are hitting the headlines and everybody's talking that. So, for a person who has diabetes, is it all right to go for a short stint of a, high protein diet or intermittent fasting also?
Yes.
What is your
So
view?
intermittent fasting, for example, has its benefits. But
Yes.
again, as I mentioned, we do see a lot of complicated patients, patients with cardiac issues, patients with renal issues, patients with other complications. So there, as I mentioned earlier, I would always believe in a sustainable diet which patient can do for years and years and decades long.
Okay.
Not something which they do for a month or two and then they leave it, because then, sugar levels would shoot up. If they lose, say, 6 kg weight with the intermittent fasting or keto diet, they'll gain 4 to 5 kg, and that can create some other complications. So, sustainable is the key
Okay.
word here.
Okay.
And of
Okay.
course, there'll be a subset of patients who do well on these diets, which you
Right.
mentioned.
Right.
So I'll encourage them to do, younger
Okay.
patients who are more motivated, who can exercise well. So that is where I'll recommend
Okay,
this.
so which is a very nice thing. So it's dependent on
It's very customized.
customized. So there's
Absolutely.
no clear-cut rule on the diet part of it,
Absolutely.
right? And in terms of exercise for a diabetic patient, what would you recommend? Would you say cardiovascular exercise or strength training,
Okay.
yoga
So usually a
combinations?
combination of these,
Yes.
but what the American Diabetes Association, ADA, which we follow, recommends is 30 minutes of brisk walking,
Okay.
5 days a week, which amounts to around 150 minutes per week. If you can do that minimum, that is more than enough for anyone with diabetes. Of
Okay.
course, more is better. Some strength training, some weight training I recommend
Right.
to my patients. Even
Right.
yoga and meditation helps our patients.
Right.
So, but I think because walking doesn't require anything apart from a good pair of shoes. So I
Correct.
always recommend that. But if you can go to the gym, if you
Right.
can do some weights, if you can do some yoga or pranayam, it's always good. But I
Right.
think we start with walking. And again, it's sustainable. You can do at
Right.
any place. You're
Right.
traveling, you can do it.
Right.
So I always recommend my patients and then customize it accordingly.
Right. So thank you so much, doctor. I think you've used the keywords customize because you need to see the patient first to decide what to customize. Sleep is so important, which you've recommended, and I think
7 to 8 hours
to
is
eight
excellent.
hours.
At least six to
Yes,
seven hours is
yes,
minimum what is
and
required.
right exercise, right diet, de-stress, all ways to battle diabetes type 2. Thank you so much,
Thank
doctor,
you.
for this interaction.
Thank you.